Name one that doesn't have a uniform and equipment.
Do you have guns? You're a gun guy.
Yes, I do have guns.
Those are okay. What's your guns worth?
40,000 at least.
Our debt is less than 40,000. What do you make? What do you make?
What do I make? 61K.
Good, dude. At 21, what are we doing?
It's pretty balling.
This is incredible. Yeah, that's awesome.
Thanks.
Well done. Do you have a degree?
I graduated with my associate's degree out of high school, but then
There you go, guys. Look what you can do. 61. That's incredible. What's hitting your account on a monthly basis? Your net pay.
I make
We have this positive thing out of the gate. It's exciting. You make an insane amount of money. The reality is you're on financial audit and the stack in front of me is stupid big.
That's big?
You're f***ing it immediately. Yes, it's big. You wouldn't know it's big.
I mean, if he supported me, then we would be
Why would
fine.
he support you? You make
He needs to be
$3,500
the
bucks a
man.
month.
No,
Okay, he needs to be a man. Are you not being a man? He doesn't even know what's big.
He needs to be the man. He needs to let me quit my job.
I'm trying.
Paul. Where'd you go, Paul?
Oh, okay. So you want to quit your job?
Oh, of course. I want to be a stay-at-home mom.
Making good money. Oh, do you guys have kids?
No.
We go on like 10 trips a year. Her
Okay.
idea, by the way.
Don't do that.
We're young. I want to travel, and he's not.
You're young. You want to travel or do you want a trad wife? Because like you're
doesn't
kind of
make
wanting
enough.
Thank
everything.
you.
He doesn't make enough where I could stay at home
You
right now.
guys
So
do
what's
make
the point?
enough. You make like
No.
120.
If I stopped working, he could not afford to take care of me.
Not your current lifestyle, correct? But you could afford to do a lifestyle.
No.
It wouldn't be the greatest lifestyle. It's not even what I'm advocating for, but I'm saying you could technically.
I want to quit my job by next April.
I didn't know by next April.
It's definitely
because
not.
that's
know
when
you
we're
wanna
getting
quit.
married. And then we have to go on the honeymoon right after.
Are you not married yet?
No.
Oh, buddy, you still have a chance. Make it.
Here's the thing. My mom's paying
tell
for the
me.
wedding, right?
Oh, she's back. Okay. Welcome,
Yes.
mother, to the conversation.
She's paying for the 30K wedding. But then
Hey, you're spoiled. Yes, we get it.
no, but then we have to go on a honeymoon that's probably
Don't
around
have to.
25K.
Why are you saying you have to?
Why?
Okay, what the f is wrong with you?
Because he
Where's the
needs
Not
to
only
pay
that,
for it.
Her mom is
No, why
wanting
do
me
you
to pay
have
her
to do-
back.
Then don't do a $30,000 wedding.
We
That's what
already
I'm
booked
saying.
everything.
It's already booked.
I'm sure
Venue,
you can cut some
everything.
things now.
No.
Everything is in a package.
Why'd you do that?
It's easier.
Like I said, it's like
they
it's like a
take care of
2v1.
everything.
Is your
No matter
family
if-
contributing?
No.
No.
Why?
I don't think they want to.
They might not want
I've
to.
asked.
Going into $30,000 of debt immediately out of the gate of a marriage to a family member is pretty stupid.
And whenever
then you
I say no, it's I don't have a say.
Okay.
It's her and her mom.
Yeah.
You can't afford that.
Yeah.
Who's the Sapphire preferred?
Me.
What the is wrong with you? You want to be a stay-at-home wife, but it has a balance of $5,364?
That's
From
Italy.
the trips.
No, that's just Italy.
Does that mean it's good?
No.
Then why the are you trying to say, oh, but that's just Italy? Like, what the are we doing? Why do you think you are allowed to spend $5,000 to go to Italy?
It's
In
like,
what world do you think you are entitled to do
it's
that?
our last, like, me and my mom
There
are
is
going
no last.
for our last,
She
like,
can
big
pay
trip.
for it. She can pay for it then. Because if you want to be a trad wife, you don't get to have both. If
Yeah,
you're
but
trying
I
to
have
survive
work
off
for
of
a
his,
while before.
it takes 11 years to pay off minimum monthly payments only without any purchases. Your kids will still be 0 years old because you're never going to get to your goals.
Probably.
Yeah, rip.
11 years is not that bad, though. But I
It
don't
is
do,
if we're trying to get to your goal.
but I don't do minimum payments. You can see that, right?
You're right. You actually purchase more on it than you put towards it, so it doesn't even matter. You're actually doing even worse
Okay.
than just a minimum monthly payment without purchases. So what the are you trying to tell me? Is that a different card in here?
Yeah.
Is that a me now? What are you doing? You spent $1,700 at a casino plus the money you actually spent at the casino.
We saw
What
a
the
move. We
No, no,
swam.
no, this-
Wow, that's
1,700.
crazy,
We played
It
bingo.
did count the stuff that we spent,
cool.
the money that we spent gambling.
dude.
So
The
it's no
lifestyle
more
you
than
guys are
that.
trying to live in your early 20s because you've been blessed with an incredible income is going to destroy your life.
That's why we're
You
here.
guys are f***ing up everything. You
trying to
guys are
learn.
up everything. Trying to learn. This isn't trying to learn. You're doing this now. You're doing this now. And you lost $825 on the flights because they
Oh.
were non-refundable.
Well, now I've been booking refundable.
Huh? Oh, now after you lost 825? Yeah, good learning lesson.
Yep.
You see how you're never going to end up to your goals? You're just losing money left and right with insane
me.
interest is accruing, only making the minimum. This is the one you said you were making progress on. No.
That's the Discover.
But that's because you pulled out of your 401k.
I did do that.
Oh, so it's not actually making progress. It's pulling out of your retirement. Shut up, you pathetic worm. $234.20, $25
now
minimum
it's
payment
back
because
up
you
to
pulled it.
I needed to buy
14.
So it went
brakes.
up
It
after
was
you pulled out of your
brakes and the
401k to
fucking
pay it.
meat.
That's why we don't do that. So your debt is $30,822.27, but we're going to minus the student loans. So minus $18,805.36, then minus yours at $3,301.20. So $8,000. Okay, that's perfect. You're paying off debt in 4 months. Easy peasy. High income earners, I swear. They're so privileged. They're so spoiled, and it's the easiest situation in the world. You guys are fully funded emergency fund in a few months, and then you can trade away if all you want. It's so easy, guys. This is actually 4 months to pay off debt. One of the easiest in the show, if not the entire show. What the is wrong with you guys? What do you do for work, Callie?
So I work in real estate.
Well, in what context?
I work in
What's the
management,
position
property
called?
management.
Okay. That could make money. I don't know. So what do you make?
I make $96,200 a year.
Okay, go yourselves. Median household for your metro, 70,000.
Yeah.
You make 94. You, not even him included. What do you do for a living?
I work in public safety.
Public safety usually pays well these days. What do you make?
So I make a shade over $50 an hour.
Guys, what the are we doing? What does that translate to?
Around 107 annually.
You make $200,000 a year in an area where the median household income is 70. And you're telling me you can't get groceries? You shouldn't even be freaking out on about a $500 purchase. How have you guys f***ed this up so bad? Okay, how can we say she's the problem when you had a balance? He had a balance of 927. Okay, that's large. It accrues interest, whatever. With your income, you can kind of pay it off. But he made the minimum payment of $35 only. Nothing else. No progress. Avalanche. And then he spent $2,000. Why the f*** did you put $35 to it if you're going to spend $2,000? Accruing interest, $57.66. New balance, $2,900, 1 cent. Minimum monthly payment, $87. Your kid, oldest kid, will be not only out of high school, but will also be out of college and also a couple years into his career. Because this takes 17 years to pay off minimum monthly payments only with no additional purchases, which you're incapable of. Rack attack.
Yeah. We bought a car rooftop cargo system to go
On
on,
an
to go on
interest
top of her
accruing
car.
credit card. You can afford it, but why not put it on? You can't pay off this credit card. You're not paying off this credit card. You only put the minimum towards it. Why not put it on the debit card?
Because we didn't have $1,800
And
ready
you
to go.
get the rooftop thing?
We needed it.
Why did you need it? We were going to die?
Well, obviously we weren't going to die.
Well, then why'd you need it?
So we were taking a road trip to see her parents.
Okay, didn't need it then.
We've got her SUV that is loaded down with children, plus the kennel and a dog in the back.
didn't need
And then we
to
didn't
do
have
it.
any room for our stuff.
You didn't need to go on the road trip to survive? What the f*** are we doing?
Yeah, it's
Even
deferred
worse.
interest financing on the dog.
How many dogs you got?
One,
Just the one.
What'd you get?
an Australian Shepherd.
I'm sure it's a beautiful dog. It's
is.
fine, but it's just
very pretty.
supporting a business that isn't necessarily the best. 24-month deferred.
Deferred, yeah.
Guys.
I know, we're only making the minimum right now.
Yeah, $30. Okay, so 2,570. I'm guessing you have like 23 months left. 257 23. So you actually have to make $112 payments a month, or else this is going to accrue at a 36%. No. It is accruing at a 36% interest, and then that interest will hit if you don't pay it off. And what, 23 months from now?
Yep.
So $112 a month now, going forward, or hundreds of dollars will hit. Oh, you don't even like the dog?
It was really,
Did he take it out behind your back?
yeah, he took it out and didn't tell me about it. And I had been planning, we've been talking about buying a home, and
Oh shit, she can't trust you.
my job gives really great bonuses that we could have used toward a down payment to lower our rent. And then he did this, which fucked up our debt to income. and we couldn't buy a house. So we have an Upstart loan that I originally took out to pay for our daughter's dental care because he failed to put her on his dental plan and she never had dental care and then she had cavities and that was $10,000. So I had to take out a loan to assist in the payment of that because he failed to put her on insurance.
Aren't you putting your kids on your insurance, dude?
He was lazy and procrastinating.
Sorry.
It's like $5,600 because whenever I get bonuses,
What's
I
the minimum
add
monthly
that.
payment?
It's, I think, like $112.
What's the interest?
32%.
What the
It was what I could get at the time.
auto? We have a car.
That's my car.
What is it?
It's a 2024 Volkswagen Atlas SE Tech.
Okay, well, you owe $38,000, $385.74 with a minimum monthly payment of $754. Now that's that high income shit. That's where people themselves. I got death threats on Twitter.
Deal on it. You on a.
Shut the up. You didn't get a good deal. You're underwater by $10,000. What's the interest rate on it?
7 and change.
Off. So it's barely even competing with the marketplace if your money's in there. And then you got depreciating. You already lost 10. Okay, so total debt, $68,410.04. Plus, what's the total pediatrician debt?
$2,700.
Okay. With the $2,200, I mean, yeah, you guys paid off in just about 2.5 years, and that's not bad. And I'm giving you fun money. And, over time, more we can rack up, the better. That pays it off. Raises throughout the years, that'll pay it off. I wouldn't be surprised if you guys pay it off in about 2 years, to be completely honest. And that's with fun money and a great subscription. Henry, Illinois, never heard of it.
I am a AP clerk, so I make sure that the company I work for, their bills get paid.
That's good. Pretty basic. That'll be AI soon. Rip.
Yeah.
Sorry. What do you make?
I make salary $25,000 a year. It's part-time.
Okay. I was going to say, I don't think that's necessary. Well,
So-
that helps with cost of living. What do you do, buddy?
So I work at a meat packing plant. I'm the label coordinator there. The most Chicago
you
thing.
coordinate the labels?
Yes.
You coordinate the fucking oh, you're not going to make money, are you? What do you make?
$18.75 an hour.
Okay. At least it's not Chicago area. Not much. So please tell me, what are your grinds on the outside? Because right now, our literal monthly income is $4,840. Now, that becomes survivable for the area. Again, if we were in Chicago, we'd be struggling, but that a lot of jobs to bring in not that much for the amount of time you're doing it.
I mean, he spent all of our tax refund before we even got it.
On what?
Reenacting.
Dude, what the are you doing? Do your kids not matter to you?
They do matter to me.
Well, then why the
the helmet.
How much did you spend with this refund?
$3,500.
Oh, you
Yeah,
dude,
we
you
got
piece of
5,000.
shit.
Yeah, we did get 5,000.
That is literally, we are giving it to you as a society for the sake of your children. Take that. Put in a, what is it, a 403B? Am I blanking on the actual right name? Put it on that. Put it in the Trump accounts. Put it in those. Let it grow. What are you doing? That's for the sake of your kid. How much is in your kid's savings account?
Let's see. I got to think about that. Our son has almost $2,000.
From you guys, not family.
Yeah, $2,000. And then our daughter has, because let's see, we started when she was born. She has about $800.
Okay, so you spent more in 1 month on your reenactment gear than they have in their entire savings. Do you not see how pathetically selfish that is? Do you not see that? That's pathetic. You're a father.
And then plus whenever we
Literally spending was $4,310.12 when $3,261 came in. You spent almost 1,000 more. No, you spent over 1,000 more, 1,100 more. You guys brought in. That's debt. That's f***ing debt. What are you talking about? You don't have money in your account. What are you talking about? This is pathetic. So why the f*** do I see owing mom $7,000? Whose mom?
my mom,
Why?
we had to get a new roof. Or
Okay, so like I said, why the f- you're like, I don't want to throw money into renting. Why rush into the home ownership when you guys are not financially ready? You guys are f***ing young. You didn't have to in a town that you might not even want. Or it's not. This medical bill is big. It's at $15,687.75. Okay, but it's not accruing interest or anything. Why aren't you on a payment plan?
Because that was, I just don't,
He doesn't get f***ed up.
I don't
No.
get f***ed up. No.
Okay, who's the Freedom Card?
That'll be me.
Okay, you're also a moron. You're spending money when you can't pay it off. You made the minimum payment, then you spent on it. You owe $4,978.34 with a minimum monthly payment of $155. Interest is accruing $105 a month. Takes 16 years to pay off if you do minimums, no purchases. But again, just like your significant other, you can't not purchase. What is wrong with you? Before your second job, with your second job, what, you're gonna make an extra $1,000 a month soon?
Yes.
Is that what it's gonna be? So this makes no sense. You're gonna make $5,800. Let's call it a month. 3,000. Let's call it 600. You have to spend 2,200. This is so stupid. You guys are so. What is wrong with you guys? Even if you have to pay all your debt back, medical debt, without selling your house, all this shit, 2,200. This is so. I don't understand you guys' position. You guys paid off in literally just over a year. This is disgusting. You guys are pathetic. Stop bickering. Start budgeting. Use dollar-wise. Get on the same page. Sell them. You're out of debt.
No.
What? How do you care about your own shit in your family? You are such a bad person.
Yeah.
You're a bad person. Listen, yes, you love your guns. I love some things I have too. I would never take them over my kids if I had them. Never. I wouldn't take them over my dogs. I wouldn't take them over my girl. I wouldn't take them over anything.
The fact of the matter is, I'm not selling them because I will never get them back.
It doesn't matter. You'll never get your kids back either. And their life is in danger because you don't have a fully funded emergency fund. They're not being taken care of, and you don't have retirement, and you're being pathetic. They matter more than your guns. Your guns are cool. They matter more.
The kids matter more than my guns, but it'll be hard to sell. It'll be hard.
My kids
It'll be
matter
hard
more
to
than my
sell
guns,
them.
but no, you'll be able to. If they're worth 40, you can sell them. Yes, and